Metro's here, getting people off the train. Falling off the train. Look at this.
They got out the car?
Huh?
They got out the car?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, no one hurt at all.
That's
Yeah,
good.
no,
That's a good.
the lady that was driving the Jeep was just right over there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
she was okay.
Okay. I hopefully didn't nobody on the train get hurt either.
No?
Oh no, that ain't gonna
It's a
happen,
simple accident, that's all.
Yeah.
right?
You gotta get past that car. Nobody get hurt. They're just getting off this damn train.
I know, yeah.
Get off the platform. Is they on the other side too?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Now one car's over there?
Yeah.
it's a Kia, from what I heard. Yeah.
I'm just being nosy. That's all.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right. I'll call no problem. I'm just working. I'm just being
It's
nosy.
okay.
I feel right here. I'm supposed to go to work myself. But the train stopped, so I take it.
So you can't cut away.
That gives me a day off of work.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Yeah, okay.
It's like a little fender bender
Yeah.
that just happened in the wrong place, and then both girls got out of the car, and then the train came. So it's really okay.
But the train just hit the button. Did the train hit the car?
Train just hit one car.
Just hit that black one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
From my understanding, from what the train conductor said, just hit one car.
Oh, okay.
Do you mind if I get a quick accident statement from you?
No.
Okay.
He said no.
Hello. Hey, in just a minute, our traffic unit is doing their investigation, and then once that's done, I'm sure they'll come over and talk to you.
Are you guys routing out the report?
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's so with
This
you.
guy was driving right behind her.
Okay, that's fine. So all it is with you and the first girl, it sounds like, I don't want to, I'm not telling you definite, but it sounds like it's just a change of information. So with you and her, there's no report for that. It's just a change of info, and then the report is going to come from your car and the train.
A lot of paperwork tonight, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm off right now, but I was live earlier. It should still be up.
It's still, they can still see it.
Yeah.
Still, probably see it.
Oh, there he is. There's the guy that's the other guy that's, I think, live.
Yeah, that's the guy that comes to you out here for my life. They ended up, they crashed and they were sitting on the train track. The train came off and smacked the black one. They was out the car. Everybody got hurt. They was out of the car and the car kept in the track. The train hit one of the cars just got seat.
You got all the Metro vehicles over there. I'm sorry, sir. My bad.